Hey, we got another motorhome to pick up. So I'm back down here in Clarkson. And the more I think about this idea, the more I think it's a bad idea.
So just stop thinking.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop thinking.
Turn the brain off.
We're gonna execute. We're gonna get this big piece of junk back to my house.
She is big. She is a Southwind.
Also, the cat pee smell did not disappear.
We didn't
Alex opened this window, or this door, it still hits you like a ton of bricks.
It doesn't help that it's 102 degrees here today and just baking on the inside. It's rough, but we're gonna try to just rope tow this to my house, and then we're gonna weld some stuff. We'll show you what we're doing. But let's get this to my house with a rope tow, and
yeah, we got about an hour. We want to get this done.
Yeah, we got an hour. So
let's hurry up.
Let's hurry up. All right. All right, we have D-ringed the. There's a D-ring under there. This thing was like set up to tow. Look at that center mast. I'm not sure how I drew the short straw to have to drive the motorhome. I feel like that's the illegal end of this situation. And Josh just gets to drive the truck, and we forgot radio, so our communication, I'll call you. Yeah, we'll have cell phones, but we're gonna put the truck right here. I'll just throw this on the ball. We only gotta go like 2 miles, but there is a downhill. So we really want the brakes to work good. Boop, that's probably good. That'll stay.
Yo. Slow?
Do you think the cap is as bad when you're on the outside of the rig? Oh no. Oh no.
You'll be all right. That's probably what that broken bungee was for.
Sweet. No.
I'm just pulling the tension out of it.
Okay, neutral. Neutral is.
Okay. All right, gotta wait for this Volkswagen.
I mean, yeah.
They exist?
I stop, yeah, I got brakes. But it's a lot of rig.
How is it with no power steering?
I mean, oh shit.
You good? All right, I'm just coasting, so I don't even know if the rope's tight.
Oh,
it is? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
That rope felt a lot longer when we were hooking it up to the truck and motorhome. I was like, man, we're gonna be a long ways away. We might have to double up. No, you are real close to me.
You just wait till that tow bar's on there.
Oh, that's gonna be tight. But that's not, I'm not gonna be trying to brake and not hit you.
Yeah, well, you are my brakes.
Yeah.
Just pulling it out of the driveway, it didn't feel as heavy as I thought it was gonna feel.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So, I think we're gonna be all right. We're dragging something.
Yeah, I can hear it. Can you?
Yeah.
Do we want to stop and investigate?
Probably.
I'm sure these people will love this.
We're just gonna park it right here.
Okay, you put it in park?
For the generator. She is a beaut. We gotta let Boyd know that it wasn't somebody that still. I didn't even tell Boyd we were doing this.
Oh.
The guy's house this was at. Original plan was to pick them both up that same day, and he was like, "When are you gonna come back?" And I said it would be soon, but we did not tell him that we were picking this up today. So, is it man hands tight? I got a crescent wrench. There was a crescent wrench right there. It actually breaks better than the other one. There was a crescent wrench like right on top.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
And so I just grabbed the whole wheel and box and put it back in the truck.
Extreme nut removal.
It'd be really cool if you had a 9/16 crashing into it.
I do.
Oh.
Want me to grab it?
I mean, I bet now I'm racing.
I got it! No. I just had to loosen it enough.
You still on the phone? Brakes still feeling all right? Yeah. Yeah, question mark. Crank it. You gonna go? Okay.
There goes, bitch.
Right tool for the job.
Yep, RT4J. You're gonna run over that tomorrow morning and pop a tire. Right here. That did not gain you that much. Oh yeah, it did.
Gained quite a bit. Center's still here though.
Is that not what you want?
I think that'll work.
When I first moved in here, there were more people that like looky-looed when they like drove by or walked by or rode their bike by. And now it's like, oh, he's up to something stupid again. And it just doesn't bring attention.
Alex being Alex.
Yep. Smaller?
5/16.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, here's our masterpiece. I'm a little nervous, if I'm being honest. But yeah, there we go. Can you flat tow an RV? We're gonna find out. So far this thing's doing all right. I wasn't sure if it was even gonna track, but it's tracking just fine. That is awesome. I've got a big trip ahead of me though, so if I make it up the grade, we're home free. It's just, will I make it up that grade? Alright, made it to the grade. This part I'm most nervous about. So I was gonna stop and check everything, but I don't want to lose my momentum, so we're just gonna power through. I'll check everything over at the top. Yeah. Doesn't look like any cracks or anything, so that's good. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna make a game plan, figure out what road I gotta turn on next. I do not want to hit 195. Stay on the west side of 195 the whole way up to Cheney and not put on a ton of miles. You got to do a few gravel roads, and it's okay. I can definitely feel that thing pushing my back end around a little bit, but it's all good. Just gonna take it easy. I think this is the only gravel road I gotta do, but we'll see. If I remember right, you gotta do one. Yeah. Pushes me around a little bit. Well, found myself on another gravel road, and one of the hills going up, I had to put in 4-wheel drive. I was peeling out like crazy. Probably could have made it in 2-wheel, but it was fishtailing hard, and might as well keep it under control. So, yeah, we're in 4-wheel drive right now, so we can make these hill climbs. This is probably not the ideal way to go. Oh my gosh. Also, these downhills, I just have to go so slow because otherwise that thing's just gonna push me around the corner. All right, we made it out of the gravel. Now I'm in familiar territory. Like from Colfax up, or Colfax north, I know how to stay off of 195, but I really need to map out a good route that's like as much pavement as possible. You know, Lewiston to Colfax, avoiding 195. That gravel road wasn't the best flat toe in this RV. I think if I had like a trailer in the car, it wouldn't be as big a deal. At least have trailer brakes. But I'd probably still need 4-wheel drive to get up some of those hills. I don't know. Gooseneck might put enough weight down on the rear tires that I'd have enough traction. But with flat toe, like it's an empty bed basically, so traction was minimal, that's for sure. But over halfway home now, so feeling good.
Camper out. Moving some logs. Dad, this one looks nicer.
It looks nicer?
No, the outside does.
Oh,
Wait.
the inside is garbage.
Really?
Yeah, it is gross.
Can I see it?
when we get out there, I'll let you look, but you can't really go in because trying to tow it back to the parking spot. This is sketchy. Oh man, I think I'm gonna have to go straight through here.
Oh, phew. Even from the outside, it looks like a wreck.
Backing up a little more.
Let's do this.
All right, we made it home with the second motorhome. We got to get this 454 running. So, gonna have the motorhome rally here in a couple weeks. It's gonna be awesome. Clyde did awesome. Flat towing a 12,000 pound motorhome behind a pickup, even my big truck, it was a bit sketchy. Like, this 12,000 pounds pushed the back end of my truck all over the place. That was a little sketch, but it's all good. For a limited time, we are going to have motorhome parts available. So if you need something for Southwind, we got 2 of them. Roof airs, fridges. So, like I said, for a limited time, we'll have them. Email us if you want to buy some parts. We need to make some money back. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. We'll see you next time.